Hey, welcome to searchads.com. So let's start off with looking at the Ads Manager tab and how you can benefit from this tool. So the Ads Manager tab is pretty similar to the default Search Ads dashboard on the Apple official site, but you also have a couple more options that will help you to better manage your campaigns and scale them even further. So first of all, you're able to see the total statistics of your campaigns at the top side under the total section. When you come down, you can see your currently active campaigns. You can see their status, which country they are active in, the total budget, the daily budget, how much you have spent, how many impressions you get. So you can see all of these data directly here. And also you can activate and deactivate your campaign directly from here. And if you want, you can create your campaigns again directly on the searchads.com dashboard. So if you click on this create a campaign, or if you click on this plus icon, this will take you to the campaign creation page. Now, so in addition to what you can see by default, provided that you have integrated searchads.com with your attribution partners, you can also track the entire user funnel. So what actions have a user take after they have downloaded your app through Apple Search Ads. So you can see the installs, you can see the CPI, you can see the install rate, you can see if they have started a free trial or if they have made an in-app purchase, if they have deposited money in your app, or if they have uninstalled it. You can track the entire user journey, and this will help you to calculate your ROIs much better. The main goal here is to understand how much money you make for each dollar you spend. To further help you out with managing your campaigns, you can also do bulk campaign updates. So you can select which campaigns you want to update, and these actions will help you to update them, change them, pause them, update their keyword bids, or even delete them in a box so you don't have to go over every single one of them. This is particularly good for large-scale campaigns. Also, you have the option to automate your campaigns or create custom reports about the overall performance of your search ads campaigns.